So today in this video we are going to add the given mixed fractions. So here are two mixed fractions and we have to add these mixed fractions. So first of all we have to convert it into improper fraction. So while converting the given mixed fraction into improper fraction, we have to multiply these both numbers and add with this number. So 3 times 3 means it is 9. 9 plus 2 means it is 11 by 3 plus it is 6. Now 6 times 1 means 6 and plus 5 means it is 11. So these both numbers are multiplied and added with numerator. So 3 times 3 means 9 plus 2 means 11 and in denominator 3 part is same plus denominator is same by 6 times 1 means 6 plus 5 means it is 11. So now we have converted the mixed fractions into improper fraction and these both are unlike fractions. So now we have to take the LCM of denominator 6 and 3. So the LCM of 3 and 6 is 3 times 1 means 3, 3 times 2 means 6. So LCM becomes 3 multiple 2 means it is 6. So the LCM of denominator 3 and 6 is 6. So it is 11 into, and now we have to divide the LCM with the denominator. So 6 is divided by 3 means it is 2 plus 11 into 6 is divided by 6 means it is 1. So it is 11 times 2 means it is 22 plus 11 times 1 means it is 11 by 6. So 22 plus 11 means it is 33 by 6. So it is in improper fraction and we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So it is 33 is divided by 6. So 6 times 5 means it is 30 and remainder here is 3. So the denominator is same and here is 5, so it is 5 and remainder part 3, so it is 3 here. So 6 whole 3 by 6 is our answer. Like as our second fractions are 2 whole 4 by 15 plus 5 whole 3 by 20 and we have to add these both mixed fractions. So it is 15 times 2 means 30, 30 plus 4 means it is 34 by denominator is same plus 20 times 5 means it is 100, 100 plus 3 means it is 103 by denominator is 20. So now we have converted the mixed fractions into improper fractions and now we have to add these both fractions. So in first step we have to take the LCM of denominator 15 and 20. So the LCM of 50 and 20, so it is 5 times 3 means 15, 5 times 4 means 20. So we can write LCM is equal to 5 times 3 times 4. So it is 5 times 3 means 15, 15 times 4 means it is 60. So the LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. So here is 34. So 34 into 60 is divided by 4 means it is 4 plus 103 into 60 is divided by 20 means it is 3. So now we have to multiply 34 times 4. So it is 4 times 4 means 16, 3 times 4 means 12, 136 plus 103 times 3 means it is 309 by 60. So it is, now we have to add these both numbers. So 6 plus 9, 15, 5, carry 1, 3 plus carry 1, 4, 1 plus 3 means it is 4 by 60. So now we have added these both mixed fractions. So if we can cancel numbers, then we can cancel it. So it is 5 times 8 means 40, 5 times 9 means 45. Like as 5 times 12 means it is 60. So now we got here 89 by 12. So now we have to convert it into mixed fractions. So while converting, 89 is divided by 12. So 12 7 ja 84, 89 minus 84 means it is 5. So in denominator part 12 is same, quotient is 7 here, so 7, remainder is 5 here, so 5. So 7 whole 5 by 12 is our answer. So in the same way we have to add here 3 given mixed fractions. So it is 3 whole 1 by 3 plus 4 whole 1 by 4 plus 6 whole 1 by 6. So first of all we have to convert it into, as usual, unlike fractions. So 3 times 3 means 9, 9 times 9 plus 1 means it is 10 by 3, plus 4 times 4 means 16 plus 1 17 by 4, plus 6 times 6 36 plus 1 37 by 6. So these all are now converted into improper fractions, and these all are unlike fractions. So first of all we have to take the LCM of denominator 3, 4 and 6. So the LCM of 3, 4 and 6 will be, it is 3, as it is 2 times 2 means 4, 2 times 3 means 6. Now it is 3 times 1 means 3, 2 as it is 3 times 1 means 3. So LCM here becomes 2 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple 3. 2 times 3 means 6 times 2 means it is 12. So the LCM of 3, 4 and 6 is 12. So 2, 2 and 3. 2 multiple 2 multiple 3. It is 12. So now here is 10 into 12 is divided by 3 means it is 4, plus 17 into 12 is divided by denominator 4 means it is 3, plus 37 into 12 is divided by 6 means it is 2. So 10 times 4 means it is 40, plus 17 times 3 means it is 51, plus 37 times 2 means it is 84. 74 by 12. So 40 plus 51, it means it is 91, plus 74 by 12. So 91 plus 74 means 1 plus 4 5, 9 plus 17 7 means it is 16 by 12. So we got here 165 by 12. So if we can cancel numbers, then we can cancel it. So it is 3 times 5 means 15, 3 times 5 means 15, like as it is 3 times 4 means 12. So these both numbers are cancelled by 3. So now we got here 55 by 4. So now we have to convert it into mixed fractions. So 55 is divided by 4. So 4 times 4 means it is 4 times 1 means 4. So here we get a 1, 5, 15. 4 times 3 means it is 12. So we got here 3. So it is equal to, denominator is same, quotient here is 13. So 13 and remainder is 3. So 13 whole 3 by 4 is our answer. So in this way we can add the mixed fraction. And this much for today. And if you have any problem regarding math, then just comment your question in a comment below, and we shall provide a video solution of your question. So thank you.